everybody, Patrick at shopmask.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So I just got out of the shower and I'm about to do my hair. So today I'm going to do my hair with a product or a brand called Morris Motley, and the specific product that I'm going to use is called TSB 02. So Morris Motley, for those of you that don't know, is a premium brand from Australia. They do really high quality hair products and other products as well. So their original version for this particular hair product is called the Treatment Styling Balm, or TSB, and this one is TSB 02. So kind of like a little bit of a different version than the other one. This one can withstand higher temperatures, and also it offers a little bit more pliability. So still strong hold and matte finish. And looks like this. It's a kind of like just like a creamy clay. So as you can see, kind of like how concentrated it is. So a little goes a long way. But for those people that know this product and this brand, all of their stuff is high quality. It's a little bit more expensive than some other brands, but it's like really, really good stuff. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then we're gonna get to styling. So you don't have to blow dry your hair, but at least towel dried hair. I just like to blow dry my hair because I have like a cowlick here and like a bird's nest or a cowlick thing in the back, so my hair is a little bit more fussy. So I like to blow dry it a little bit more in the direction that I want to go in, and it's more cooperative throughout the day. So I'm gonna style my hair now. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, just kind of like a dime size amount to start. And I'm gonna warm it up between my palms of my hands or my fingers. And I should start from back here. So this also offers 24-hour hold, which is nice. So I can kind of wake up tomorrow and go to the gym without having to like shower or worry about my hair first. It's gonna kind of hold in direction. I might have to fix it up a little bit, but pretty strong and long lasting. So it's, as you can see, a very natural finish, and I can still put my hand through my hair. It's not hard to the touch, and just kind of holds the shape, and all, like I said, really good ingredients, so it's like good for the hair, and that's it. So that is the TSB 02 or Treatment Styling Balm version number 2 from Morris Motley. You can find it at shopmask.com, or you can come and try it or pick it up in the store in Vancouver at MASC. Thanks for listening.